Hello, hello. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Sasabihin ko sana happy Saturday. Thursday pa pala. Good morning. Good morning. Napaaga tayo ngayon. It's 11:30 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are loving life, diba? Yes. So it's Tita here po, touching base with you guys. Talagang ano lang, tawag nun, magbubukas tayo ng ng ating tindahan. Yeah. So anyhow, hindi naman all the time na nagla-live ako is pertaining to business lang ang pag-uusapan. So, basically, overall talaga in life, kumbaga, yung mga topic na dinidiscuss ko or sinishare ko sa inyo is applicable to our daily life. So, hindi lang ako nandito para mag-promote or what. No, I'm not I'm not out here to convince anybody because I don't need to. I don't need to convince everybody, or anybody. I am I am just basically out here to share insights or kung ano yung mga conversation ko with the people that reach out to me every single day, kung ano yung pwede kong ma-share sa inyo, makapag-inspire sa inyo, makapag-educate sa inyo, and yun talaga ang pinaka main goal ko. Okay? Now, because what is the point of learning something kung hindi natin i-share yun, di ba? Kung may tawag nun, binibigyan tayo ng talento, we have to share it. That is a way of giving back to our community. So kung ano man yung blessing na binigay sa atin, ano man yung talento na binigay sa atin, i-share natin yun, di ba? So people will know. Wag nating itatago yan, di ba? Yeah. So anyhow, touching base with you guys. So I believe I have touched on some of this before, pero yung topic na pag-uusapan natin is kumbaga continuation lang ito. So who thrives talaga in the online space? Yun ang nilagay ko sa caption ko because so many people na parang tawag nun, confused or hindi alam kung ano talaga, because like one of the reason na yung ibang tao is scared then to try something new or something especially online, because yung nakalagay sa utak nila is everything online is scam, diba? Pero no, hindi everything online is scam. Some people are thriving, some people are thriving online. Some people are earning millions of dollars online. Some people are online as well para manloko. So you have to be very careful. You have to do your due diligence talaga before pa man kayo mag-start. If you are thinking to start an online business, talagang be cautious. Sinasabi ko yan sa inyo because me, I was skeptical too because hindi ko alam. Like for me, that was my mindset before. Anything online was scam, diba? But I got educated and I did my due diligence and I end up in a business na talagang 100% legitimate and 100% na proven na nag-work, proven na nakahelp ng mga tao. Like thousands of people has retired early. Thousands of people are earning 5 figures, 6 figures in a month, 'di ba? Which is very very kumbaga sa corporate world, yung mga tao na nagkakaroon ng 6 figures in a month is yun lang yung mga CEO or yung mga talagang executive, di ba? But in reality, it's not all of us are executive, di ba? Thank you for my 1 million viewers. So yeah, so I am grateful na dito ako napunta. So I'm sharing with you guys kung ano yung experiences ko, kung ano yung mga conversation ko with people, because yes, we are all different, right? So yeah, so today ang lagay ko po sa topic ko is who thrives in online space. Okay? Because not everyone. Okay? Who thrives in online space? First of all, someone who is open-minded. Okay? Yan ang number one. Because if you come online and your mentality is just like myself before, that everything online is a scam, then wala na. Right? Sinat off mo na ang tsansa mo, di ba? Hindi mo na tiningnan kung ano ang potential ng negosyo para sa iyo, right? So, first of all talaga is magiging open-minded ka. Okay? Open mind ka na gagawin yung due diligence mo, to do your own research, to not to, like, you know, for me it's very important for me to see it myself, not just feedback from people, not just feedback from Google, because let's face it, Google won't give you 100% feedback. Okay? Because so many people, like, you know, like there's no two minds the same. Okay? Everyone is different. Everyone has different perspective. Everyone has different interpretation. So the best way for you to find out if it's something for you or not is to do your own due diligence, to see it, to feel it, right? To know it, to be with it. Yan ang pinakasusi mo to find out if it is something for you or not. So number one, who thrives online, number one is open-mindedness. Right? Yan ang pinaka number one. Because if you are close-minded, I can tell you, it's not even online. It's anything in life, anything in the world. If you are close-minded, is like, you know, walang chance yan sa'yo. Okay? So you have to be open-minded in order for you to thrive, especially in online space. Okay? Now, the next thing is you have to be adaptable. You have to be adaptable. Why? Because online space can change any minute, right? What was applicable yesterday probably won't be applicable tomorrow or the next day or the next week or the next month or the next year, right? So you have to be adaptable. You have to be adaptable on change. You have to be willing. You have to be willing to shift into, like, you know, new things na magbabago every single day. You have to be adaptable. Okay? So open-mindedness, being adaptable. Okay? Number 3, you have to be coachable. Because kung ang mentality mo is papasok ka sa negosyo na ito, like, I'm not talking about our main online business. I'm talking about anything that you do in life, at work, or anywhere, right? All of us have to start somewhere. When you started schooling, kung nung nag-aral ka sa kolehiyo, or nung nag-aral ka, di ba? Hindi ka dumiretso ng grade 6, di ba? You started at kindergarten, daycare, like, you know, all of those things. You went to steps. So anything, the same way, kung bago ka sa trabaho mo, someone has to show you the way. Right? Someone has to train you. You are not going to start something new as an expert already. Right? So if you are coachable, that is, like, you know, it's a plus for you to thrive online, especially. Right? Yan ang pinaka-ano ko dito. Yan ang I am blessed talaga dito sa business community na napasukan ko, because you probably have seen it in my page. If you guys are following me, then, like, you know, we are not here all by ourselves. Okay? When we started, there are people that are coaching us, that are supporting us, who have walked the path that we are going through. So yan ang plus dito sa online business na ginagawa ko. Okay? So 3 na tayo, right? The first one, for you to thrive online, the first one, you have to be open-minded. The next one, you have to be adaptable. The third one, you have to be coachable. Okay? And and of course, you have to be ano ba ang pinaka ang fourth ko? Ano ba? Kasi yun na yung pinaka main talaga. And of course, the next one, you have to be willing to learn. Talaga. You have to be willing to learn. Because again, wala namang work, walang business na talagang mag-umpisa ka on the top. You have to start from the bottom. So you have to be willing to learn to follow the process, okay? You have to be willing to learn to follow the process, and talagang yun ang yun lang ang talagang ma-share ko sa inyo na apat na main kailangan mo, qualifications mo to thrive online. Okay? So, circle back doon. Yun lang po ang gusto ko i-share sa inyo today. Circle back on my caption. Who thrives online, in the online space? Talaga. Okay? The first one, someone who is open-minded. The next one, the second one, someone who is adaptable. The next one, someone who is coachable. And the fourth one, someone who is willing to learn. Okay? So, yun ang pinaka-main diyan. Main ingredients. Main qualities for you to thrive online. At hindi lang ito applicable talaga dito sa business namin. It is applicable for you in anything that you do in life. Right? Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, I'm not sharing this one mainly because of my online business, but it is also applicable in your daily lives, yung sinishare ko sa inyo. So I hope I have given you value today. I hope I have inspired you guys. So yes, yun lang po ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo. Okay? So if you wanna thrive, if you wanna succeed online or anywhere or anything in life, okay, you need 4 qualities. You have to be open-minded. You have to be adaptable, you have to be coachable, and you have to be open to learn new things. Yan ang pinaka-importante na talagang pinakasusi mo in order to succeed online or anything that you do in your life. So anyhow, I hope I have given you value. I hope I have inspired you today. So yan talaga ang main goal ko. So yes, anyhow, if you are someone who is watching me, like, secretly, right? If you are someone who is watching and wondering what kind of business am I doing, what is the potential of this business for you, then yes, don't limit yourself. Check it out. There's nothing to lose. Okay, so I have my website is in my business page. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address, and my back office will send you the information that you need. And of course, I am more than willing to talk to you so long as na-watch na ang webinar, to give you clarity on anything. Ask me anything, okay? Yes. So anyhow, yan lang po ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Enjoy the rest of your week. And God bless everyone. Thank you again. Take care.